The Felix 8x8 Titan appears as a modern battlefield machine designed to adapt to the harshest environments. Beyond its role as an armored personnel carrier, it serves as a mobile firepower platform equipped with a 30mm automatic cannon, a 7.6 2mm machine gun, and integrated anti-UAV capabilities, ready to take on assault, fire support, and command roles as a mobile combat hub. Inside its armored shell lies a digitized system featuring a fully digital cockpit, 360-degree cameras, battlefield sensors, and C4 ISR network connectivity. The vehicle is operated by a crew of 3 to 4 and can carry 8 to 12 infantry soldiers. It weighs around 35 tons and is powered by a diesel engine producing approximately 450 to 600 horsepower. Its 8x8 drivetrain allows it to reach speeds of up to 100 km per hour, with an operational range of 600 to 800 kilometers, while maintaining strong mobility across mud, sand, and rough terrain. Overall, the Felix 8x8 Titan is more than just a military vehicle. It represents the modern evolution of warfare, where firepower, mobility, and advanced technology merge into a single integrated platform. When people think of fire trucks, they often picture familiar vehicles seen on city streets, but the Naffco Falcon 8x8 presents something entirely different. A massive machine built for the most critical emergencies in aviation. It can speed across runways, reach distressed aircraft, and suppress intense fuel fires in moments. Most strikingly, its HRED boom can extend upward and pierce an aircraft fuselage, delivering extinguishing agents directly inside for rapid, targeted response. Beneath its imposing exterior lies remarkable engineering. The Falcon 8x8 carries around 16,000 liters of water and nearly 2,000 liters of foam, paired with a high-capacity pump capable of discharging thousands of liters per minute. Its all-wheel drive 8x8 configuration keeps the vehicle stable despite its immense weight. Inside the cabin, a full crew is supported by advanced control systems, cameras, and modern safety equipment, ensuring precise and coordinated operation. The Falcon 8x8 is more than just a fire truck. It is a high-tech guardian of aviation safety, ready to act at the very moment when every second matters most. If you find this information interesting and want to explore more incredible technologies like this, do not forget to hit like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any exciting content coming next. Amid the vast runway of an airport, the Kronenburg MAC 8x8 ARFF appears like a true firefighting beast. Instantly striking with its sheer presence, this is not an ordinary fire truck, but a dedicated airport rescue vehicle built on a powerful 8x8 all-wheel drive chassis, stretching about 12 meters in length and weighing between 36 to 52 tons, driven by an engine capable of producing up to 1,400 horsepower. What makes it even more astonishing is its immense firefighting capability. It carries up to 18,000 liters of water, 2,000 liters of foam concentrate, and delivers an extraordinary discharge rate of around 8,000 liters per minute, capable of blanketing an aircraft fire within seconds. With roof-mounted turrets, front monitors, and an extendable high-reach system, it stands like a mobile fortress on the runway. Altogether, the Kronenburg MAC 8x8 ARFF is more than just a fire truck. It is a high-speed emergency guardian of the skies, ready to charge into danger and fight for every critical second when lives are on the line. The Rosenbauer RTX appears like a surprising game-changer in the world of traditional fire trucks. Instead of the familiar roar of a diesel engine, this vehicle runs mainly on electricity, powered by a 132 kilowatt-hour battery system, creating a quiet yet futuristic presence. With nearly 490 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and highly agile maneuverability, the RTX no longer feels like a conventional fire truck. It feels more like a high-tech machine rushing straight into the heart of an emergency. The truck is also equipped with a 6 to 9 seat cabin, a central touchscreen control system, full-body LED lighting, and even a backup diesel engine to ensure it never runs out of power during critical missions. Ferrara Ultra Heavy Rescue immediately stands out like a true mobile fortress. It is typically about 9 to 11 meters long, nearly 2.5 meters wide, and weighs around 15 to 20 tons. Built on a heavy-duty chassis from Ferrara Fire Apparatus, it is powered by engines ranging from 400 to over 600 horsepower. With wraparound LED lighting and large compartment storage on both sides, the truck is always ready to rush into the most chaotic emergency scenes where ordinary vehicles cannot reach. What makes it even more impressive is its power and onboard capability. The Ferrara Ultra Heavy Rescue can carry 6 to 8 firefighters and is equipped with an onboard generator producing around 10 to 20 kilowatts, plus a powerful winch capable of pulling 10 to 20 tons. It also includes an SCBA air refill system for breathing apparatus at the scene. Inside, it carries a full range of hydraulic rescue tools such as cutters, spreaders, lifting rams, pneumatic jacks, cables, and slide-out storage trays designed for fast and efficient access. Vulcan Fire RF truck is a specialized airport firefighting vehicle designed to respond to aircraft fires and aviation emergencies with extreme speed and precision. It can accelerate from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour in just over 20 seconds, ensuring rapid arrival at the incident site when every second counts. The truck is powered by a diesel engine producing around 700 to 770 horsepower and uses a 6x6 drivetrain for maximum stability across airport terrain. Its firefighting system includes a water tank of approximately 14,000 liters, about 1,700 liters of foam, and a high-capacity turret capable of delivering massive amounts of extinguishing agent within seconds. It is also equipped with advanced electronic control systems, 360-degree cameras, and automatic foam mixing technology to maximize firefighting efficiency. What is truly surprising is this: a fire truck that delivers the speed and advanced technology of a military-grade super vehicle, yet is built to save lives in the most critical moments of aviation disasters. Between the vast runways of an airport, where giant aircraft rise and land every day, the appearance of the Siemens Snorkel ARFF always feels like a quiet, yet unexpected giant. Unlike a standard fire truck, it carries a snorkel boom that can rotate 330 degrees, extending high and projecting water up to 60 to 65 meters. Weighing around 26 to 36 tons and powered by a 440 to 580 horsepower engine, it can still rush across the runway at over 100 kilometers per hour when every second matters. When an emergency strikes, the vehicle seems to come alive. Its pump system, delivering 4,000 to 5,400 liters per minute, unleashes powerful streams of water and AFFF foam, supported by tanks holding up to 9,000 liters of water and over 1,000 liters of foam. The elevating boom slowly rises, bringing the nozzle or firefighters directly toward the heart of the blaze, creating a scene that is both tense and highly precise. The Siemens Snorkel ARFF is more than just an airport fire truck. It is a powerful and sophisticated emergency response machine, combining speed, strength, and exceptional reach to ensure maximum safety in aviation incidents. The E1 Typhoon fire engine is a heavy-duty American fire truck, often described as a mobile combat platform for modern firefighting teams. What stands out most is its technology: advanced safety systems, onboard cameras, high-intensity LED lighting, and a cab designed like a mobile command center. The real surprise is that behind its massive, rugged exterior lies a highly advanced machine that most people would never expect. The Pierce Saber Pumper is a specialized American fire truck designed as a true mobile firefighting command center. Its primary function is to quickly transport firefighters to the scene while directly suppressing fires using a powerful high-capacity water pump system, as well as supporting rescue operations in emergency situations. In large-scale incidents, it can also continuously supply water to other fire engines, playing a critical role when fires spread rapidly. In terms of specifications, the truck is powered by a Cummins diesel engine producing around 370 to 510 horsepower. Paired with an Allison automatic transmission, its water pump system delivers between 500 and 2,000 gallons per minute, capable of releasing massive volumes of water per minute, supported by a tank holding approximately 1,900 to over 5,700 liters. And the most surprising part? This is not just a fire truck, but a highly advanced piece of firefighting technology that can completely change the way humans respond to devastating fires. The Marita MVF fire engine is one of those fire trucks that surprises you at first sight. It is not just a fire engine, it feels like a clever blend of a ladder truck and a rescue vehicle, with its multi-jointed boom reaching about 13.7 meters high and extending horizontally up to 8.4 meters. It can access places that seem almost impossible to reach. Even more impressive, it can lower itself down to minus 2.1 meters, allowing rescue operations in underground spaces like basements. The surprises do not stop there. The MVF is equipped with a 1,200-liter water tank and a modern CAFS, compressed air foam system, delivering foam at around 700 liters per minute, directly from its 270-kilogram capable rescue basket. Its compact size, about 7.0 by 2.54 by 3.1 meters, lets it navigate tight urban streets, while its 4x4 drivetrain and H-type stabilizers ensure maximum balance during operation. Overall, the Marita MVF is not the tallest or most powerful fire truck, but it is one of the smartest and most versatile. It strikes a balance between strength, flexibility, and efficiency, making it a true multi-role fighter in emergency situations. The Rosenbauer Buffalo 6x6 is one of those airport fire trucks that surprises you at first glance. Nearly 9.5 meters long and weighing around 26 tons, it somehow still accelerates quickly and reaches impressive speeds, almost defying physics. Equipped with a roughly 540 horsepower engine and a powerful 6x6 drivetrain, the Buffalo can charge down runways and handle rough terrain in seconds. What is even more striking is its firefighting capability. The Buffalo carries between 6,000 and 11,000 liters of water, along with foam and dry powder. Supported by a pump system delivering up to 6,000 liters per minute, it can spray while moving, with a range of dozens of meters, allowing it to control aircraft fires in an incredibly short time, something absolutely critical in aviation emergencies. In the end, the Rosenbauer Buffalo is more than just a fire truck. It is a steel shield for airport safety, powerful, agile, and always ready to face the most dangerous situations. Few people expect a vehicle like the Spartan Gladiator to be capable of so much more than just looking aggressive. It is not merely a modified pickup built for show. It is a true off-road conquering machine, able to blast through deep mud, jagged rocks, and rushing streams as if obstacles simply do not exist. Beneath that warrior-like exterior lies the foundation of a Jeep Gladiator. Known for its durability, it typically comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing around 285 horsepower and 353 Newton-meters of torque, paired with a 4x4 drivetrain. In Spartan builds, it is often upgraded with lifted suspension, 35 to 40-inch off-road tires, heavy-duty shock absorbers, and a powerful winch system. In the end, the Spartan Gladiator is not a vehicle meant for easy city cruising. It is a statement of power and domination. It exists to push boundaries, and every roar of its engine is a reminder that the hardest roads belong to those willing to take them all the way. The KamAZ fire engine appears unexpectedly like a steel beast on the scene. At first glance, it looks like a heavy-duty truck, but inside it hides a true firefighting machine, built on a rugged 6x6 chassis, with a total weight of about 21 to 22 tons and a diesel engine producing around 280 horsepower. It can reach speeds of nearly 90 kilometers per hour, ready to tackle the harshest terrain. When in operation, the vehicle carries a water tank with a capacity of about 6,000 liters and an additional 1,000 liters of firefighting foam. Its powerful pump system delivers nearly 70 liters per second, unleashing high-pressure water streams capable of reaching far and suppressing intense flames quickly. The cab accommodates 2 to 6 firefighters and is equipped with essential rescue tools such as hoses, cutting equipment, and emergency lighting systems. Overall, the KamAZ fire engine is a blend of strength and durability, a mobile fortress that charges into danger to reclaim safety from the fire. Not many people realize that something as ordinary looking as the Isuzu Forward fire engine can transform into a rolling fortress, rushing straight into the heart of a blaze. What is truly surprising is that it does not just carry water. It brings an entire firefighting system capable of confronting major fires within those critical first minutes. Hidden within its frame are impressive specs: a diesel engine producing around 130 to 300 horsepower, a water tank ranging from 3,000 to 8,000 liters, a high-pressure pump delivering 30 to 40 liters per second, and a monitor capable of spraying water up to 60 meters. It can also reach speeds close to 100 kilometers per hour, allowing it to arrive fast during the golden time of firefighting. And when the siren cuts through the night, the Isuzu Forward fire engine is no longer just a truck. It becomes hope charging through smoke and flames. It carries water, equipment, and life-saving force, going where others must pull back. The Tatra Force fire truck is a heavy-duty fire engine developed from the highly off-road capable Tatra Force platform by Tatra Trucks, Czech Republic. Designed to operate in some of the harshest environments, thanks to its central backbone tube chassis combined with independent suspension on each wheel, the vehicle remains highly stable on mud, rocky terrain, or deep snow, depending on the configuration: 4x4, 6x6, or 8x8. It is powered by a diesel engine producing nearly 690 horsepower and can reach around 90 kilometers per hour, even when carrying tens of tons of equipment. The truck is equipped with a water tank ranging from 4,000 to over 12,000 liters, along with a foam system for handling fuel and chemical fires. A high-capacity pump delivers strong, stable water streams even under difficult conditions. The sealed cabin includes air filtration to protect against smoke and toxic gases, air conditioning, and driving assistance systems, helping the crew operate safely in hazardous situations. In addition, the vehicle has exceptional off-road capability, with a climbing angle of about 70%, water-fording depth over 1 meter, and a payload capacity exceeding 40 tons. This makes it especially suitable for wildfires, large-scale disasters, and industrial sites that standard fire engines cannot easily reach. Few would expect that behind the massive exterior of the Smeal Sirius pumper lies such a powerful and sophisticated firefighting machine. This vehicle does not just carry water, it features a pump capable of delivering 1,250 to 2,000 GPM, around 7,500 liters per minute, strong enough to control large fires in a short time. Inside, the modern cab accommodates 4 to 6 firefighters and is equipped with essential safety systems and operational support. Even more impressive is its versatility. With a water tank of 500 to 1,000 gallons, combined with a foam system and specialized rescue equipment, the truck can both extinguish fires and handle complex rescue situations. Its 400 to 500 horsepower diesel engine, paired with an automatic transmission, ensures stable performance despite its heavy weight of 15 to 25 tons. In short, the Smeal Sirius pumper is more than just a fire engine. It is a true first responder on the front line, powerful, adaptable, and dependable in life or death moments. Pierce-CF is a heavy-duty fire truck from the United States. Specially designed for firefighting and emergency rescue missions, it features a cab-forward design, which moves the driver's position further forward to improve visibility and control, especially in dense urban areas or dangerous environments. From the outside, it looks powerful and solid, like a true street-level steel warrior. Inside, the CF is equipped with a powerful diesel engine ranging from about 370 to over 500 horsepower, paired with a durable Allison automatic transmission for stable performance under heavy loads. Its high-capacity water pump can deliver up to around 1,500 GPM, making it capable of handling large-scale fires efficiently. The spacious cabin can carry up to 6 to 7 firefighters, along with essential rescue equipment, ensuring maximum readiness in emergency situations. It is truly a machine built to face danger head-on. Overall, the Pierce-CF combines power, technology, and practicality for both firefighting and rescue operations. It is not just a vehicle, but a steel hero always ready to rush into the most dangerous situations to protect lives and property. A machine that is powerful, reliable, and truly impressive. A roaring steel beast charging down the runway, the Rosenbauer Panther 6x6 is a specialized airport firefighting vehicle designed for rapid response to aircraft emergencies. Measuring around 11 to 12 meters in length and weighing over 30 tons, it can still reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. Powered by a high-output engine producing roughly 700 to 1,000 horsepower, combined with a permanent 6x6 drivetrain, it delivers exceptional stability and fast acceleration in critical situations. It is built specifically to tackle aircraft fires within the crucial first minutes. Inside this massive machine lies an enormous firefighting arsenal. The Panther 6x6 carries approximately 11,000 to 12,500 liters of water, over 1,400 liters of foam, and dry chemical agents for fuel fires. Its high-capacity pump system can discharge up to 9,000 liters per minute, projecting powerful streams of water and foam over long distances. Roof-mounted and front turrets, controlled electronically, allow precise targeting of flames upon arrival at the scene. Remarkable engineering at its finest. Despite its heavy load, the Panther 6x6 can accelerate from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour in just over 20 seconds. Its reinforced chassis is designed to withstand extreme heat and harsh conditions near burning aircraft fuel. Equipped with 360-degree LED lighting, advanced control systems, and a modern driver cabin with thermal protection and cameras, it serves as a critical frontline defense against airport fire disasters. Freightliner M2 106 is not just an ordinary truck, it is a true multi-purpose machine from the United States that surprises people at first sight. As a Class 6 to 8 medium-duty truck, it can reach a maximum gross vehicle weight of about 29.9 tons. Yet it still maintains impressive agility in urban environments. Under its solid exterior lies a powerful diesel engine, typically a Detroit or KamAZ, producing between 200 and 360 horsepower, with torque exceeding 1,500 Newton-meters, enough to haul extremely heavy loads while maintaining stable performance. What makes the M2 106 even more remarkable is its versatility. With different configurations, it can transform into a tow truck, crane truck, refuse truck, or even a specialized utility vehicle. Its spacious cabin, heavy-duty chassis, and up to 55-degree wheel cut give it both strength and maneuverability, as if it were built to handle the toughest missions with ease. In short, the Freightliner M2 106 is a medium-duty truck with the heart of a giant, combining durability, power, and exceptional flexibility, making it one of the most adaptable vehicles in modern transportation. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.